Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. You want more information about how to make a puppy shirt? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to make a puppy shirt is tacticalintelligence.net. Specifically the page titled How to Make a Paracord Bracelet, Tactical Intelligence. Here's the link. You can also try how2dostuff.blogspot.com, especially the page How to Do Stuff, how to make a ninja mask out of a t-shirt. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see askville.amazon.com. The web page How do you get a dark makeup stain out of a white shirt? This is the link.